Hello everyone. Population. We have heard this word. What is population? When do we celebrate Population Day? What are the merits and demerits of population? How population is distributed? All these are the questions in our minds. Let us see some of the answers for these questions. First of all, what is population? Population is a group of individuals of same species living in particular area. Maybe individuals, maybe human beings, or usually population means it is human beings. We call them as the human resource. Here, when do we celebrate Population Day? We celebrate Population Day on July 11th. This day is given by UNDP, United Nations Development Program, has designed this day for Population Day. It was started from 1989. The whole world is celebrating Population Day on July 11th every year. So how is the population of the world? How is the population of India? What are the conditions of other states or countries? See, for the world, it is 7.8 billion population. And in India, it is 1.38 billion population. These are the 10 major countries which are called as most populous countries of the world. China and India are in billions. 1.44 billion China, 1.38 billion India, very close to China. All the other countries are in millions. So both China and India have more population. So this is known as population explosion. Day by day, the increase in population is known as population explosion. If this continues like this, there will be many problems. Here, we'll be having air pollution, water scarcity, water pollution, land scarcity, pollution, food scarcity, unemployment, increased consumption of resources, less literacy. All these are the problems of population explosion. Government has taken many steps to increase the food security for the people, literacy rate for the people, etc. Though we have problems of population, we also have advantages of population. See, here there are so many advantages of population. We have abundant supply of labor, market, development of new industries, demand for services, economies of scale, technical, scientific discoveries. See, all these are the advantages of population. People are skilled, educated, people are knowledgeable, they are intelligent, handle the problems clearly, correctly, planning. All these are done by the population. With the intelligence and knowledge of the population, there is economic improvement of the country also. Do you know? India has got maximum number of youth population. And in future, India will be most economic country in the world. Thank you.